For Tesla crossing right now. Shauna's looking at those.
Yeah, Jen, I'm going through these numbers right now. So it looks like Tesla missed on earnings per share. So adjusted earnings per share coming in at $1.93. The estimate was for $2.14. Don't see the revenue right here just yet. I'm seeing some headlines in terms of the Model 3. We know that that is their that's a car that they are producing for the mass audience here, something that's been very critical for the company over the last year or so. Tesla saying that they're planning to produce a Model 3 at the max rate in 2019. That is something that investors were hoping to hear from Elon Musk and team today. Also, Tesla seeing 2019 potential total deliveries 360,000 to 400,000. Also seeing gross margin for Model S and Model X relatively stable. So I'm still digging through this report, but just some of the headlines here that are sticking out right at the top.
Looking forward to the first quarter, you know, the Model S and Model X deliveries slightly down versus 2018. We've heard about Tesla layoffs as well. There's some issues there. So I think they're planning to produce this Model 3 at the max rate in 2019. What is the mix there? I think on those Model 3s is going to be really important as well.
And you know, I don't want to have the Jen Rogers conversation,
or I should say the
conversation. Yes, I should say the conversation that Jen Rogers does not want to have, but you have to do it because you have to look, you know, is there a cash crunch? What about converting debt to equity that is coming due? There's issues, and you know, this is such a mysterious beast, this company, Tesla. I mean, they make great products, and they've got this wizard-like chief executive who goes off the rails and goes rogue so often. And it burns a lot of money because it's a highly capital intensive business, and so and people love it. So I don't know what the future is. I do know they make great products, and if they continue to do that, maybe this will be a good stock for the next 10 years, but we don't know.
Yeah, and I'm also just getting that revenue number that we didn't have before. Yes. Revenue was actually better than expected for Tesla at $7.23 billion. The estimate was for $7.08 billion. But again, looks like that miss in earnings per share is what's weighing on the stock here in after hours.
Brian Sazzi, you're also looking through Tesla here. Talk to us.
Yeah, so the gross profit, if you're looking for a culprit for the really shocking earnings miss from this company, Tesla, zero in on the gross profit margin. It fell to 24.3% in the most recent quarter from 25.8% in the year-ago quarter. That suggests there's still a lot of inefficiencies in Tesla's business, and you're also now understand a little bit more why they're laying off 7% of their workforce. Another good thing to bring up, touches upon what Andy was saying, just their cash burn. The company generated over $2 billion in cash from operations this year, but their investing, cash from their investing actually ate up $2.1 billion. So you're looking at a company that might need a cash raise. Certainly a lot of people on Wall Street are expecting Tesla to raise cash this year. They have a little bit over $1.5 billion in debt. And just looking at this balance sheet, nothing suggests that they cannot not raise debt this year.
Brian Sazzi, thank you so much in the Yahoo Finance Newsroom.